Hey there, in this video we're going to take a look at headings in HTML. In HTML you need to specify your web page, and when you create your web page then you need a title which contains every information about your web page and highlight that. In HTML you can create headings in 6 different types, and headings are available in 6 different sizes. A heading element implies all the font changes, paragraph breaks before and after, and any white spaces necessary to render the heading. The heading elements are H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6, with H1 being the highest and H6 the least. The biggest heading is H1 and the lowest is H6. Since every line of code in HTML contains tags, so you also need to make a heading tag. So for make a heading tag, you need to do this. Here you can see, here's a sample of an HTML tag. Because every HTML tag is contained with less than and greater than symbol and behind every HTML code. For make a heading tag, you need to put a less than and greater than tag besides the element, and headings will take the place of element. And let's come in code and write some tags for HTML. Here you can see our console is open, and you can see I already wrote the basic HTML program like every code, and now in this code we need to put some headings as I'm going in ascending order of their size. So first H6, which is the smallest one, in H6. Here you can see H6. This is the lowest law, and this is the smallest one. Let's close this terminal. Now H5, which is much bigger than H6. In H5, this is much bigger than H6. Now close this terminal. H4, which is medium. This is medium heading terminal. H3, which is also medium. S3, this is also medium heading. H2, this is the bigger. This is big heading, and close this. And finally the biggest ones, H1, sorry. This is the biggest heading. Here you can see our code is complete. Now we need to execute this. For execute this, we need to open a browser. Here you can see our code is run, and here's all headings which their size, and I think I should make it bigger for C. Here you can see the headings are in ascending order of their size. The smallest ones, this is much bigger than H6. This is medium heading, this is also medium heading, this is big heading, and this is the biggest ones. So these are the heading types, and then in next video we're going to see hyper